Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can give 5G access to both your dual SIM cards that you have inserted into the phone. Okay, so it's real simple to do, just follow the steps. So pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then select mobile network, mobile data, and as you can see I have two SIM cards inserted. So SIM 1, I'm just going to blur out a bit of that number, don't want the phone number being on the internet, and as you can see I've got SIM 2 there inserted as well, so I'm also going to blur out that number as well for SIM 2. But yeah, you can clearly see both SIMs are inserted. However, when I select preferred network mode for SIM 1, as you can see 5G is available. It's currently set to 5G. But when I scroll down to SIM 2 and select preferred network mode for SIM 2, there's only 4G, 3G and 2G available. Okay, so to enable 5G for SIM 2, just simply select more and turn this toggle on. And as you can see guys, it explains allow both SIMs to access 5G. When disabled, the secondary SIM's 5G toggle will be turned off. So now when I go back to SIM 2 preferred network mode, so SIM 2 preferred network mode, as you can see I now have the 5G network mode option. But do remember, when you turn it off, it will switch back to just the 4G, 3G and 2G auto options. But yeah guys, that's how you enable 5G for both your SIM cards on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do guys. Give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video guys. Oh yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. I'm out. Deuces.